Okay, kids, let me show you this stuffing. This stuffing's a great stuffing for turkey, for anything. We just happen to be cooking it with the pork right now. So let's talk about the players. Little Louie's, the best seasoned garlic pepper on the planet. And Little Louie's fabulous gal too. Some thyme and some sage. Some dried cranberries. Celery and carrots. Onion, or onion as Casey calls it. And some nice flat leaf lettuce. Some nice cornbread that's been dried out, okay? You want it a little dry, you don't want fresh cornbread. So what I did is I had fresh cornbread, but then I cut it into squares on a sheet pan and roasted it for about 2 hours at 225 to get it just how I like it. Now, Jimmy Dean sausage coming right up. We're gonna be cooking that first. Then, while the Jimmy Dean sausage is cooking, I'm gonna peel and chop this apple and add it to the celery, the onions, and the different herbs and the cranberries in some butter, get them nice and soft. Then we'll fold in the cornbread into the Dutch oven that we're gonna cook the stuffing in. And I take about 3 cups of stuffing and pour it. Now with stuffing, when you're making stuffing, you want it to feel spongy. If you put the liquid in and it's just mush, you got too much liquid. If you put it in and it's too hard, you don't have enough. So you want it kind of bouncy, kind of spongy. So I'll show you that when I get to that point. Let's go to the other camera and let's get on to cooking. Here comes the Jimmy Dean sausage. Now we're gonna cook this sausage. We'll brown it and I'll come right back. Okay. Beautiful job with the sausage. And a little caramelization on it. Okay, let's make this with a little olive oil and a little butter. Because we like butter, we like olive oil. Real simple. Onions, celery and carrots. Stir it up good. We're gonna get these nice and softened. A little desert gold never hurt you. Get some little citrus in there, a little sesame, a little garlic, also some Little Louie's. In the pan, baby. Stir it up, we'll get this nice and softened, and then the apples will come along. Okay, kids, the apple. Bigger chunks. Try and get them coated with some oil so they don't turn brown in the pan. Citrus is a good thing to squeeze on cut apples too. Let's get these softened. I might even use the top for a second. Now, this seems tricky. It's not. I'm just, we're making the stuffing, which you can do for any protein, any meal. We're using it for the pork chop, which is really fun. I'm pretty excited about this dish. Okay, let's give it 5 minutes. Okay, the apples are soft. The cranberries. Might be just a few too many. Starting to smell like the holidays in here. Get the sage and the thyme in there. Did someone say sausage? There we go. Rest are great. Parsley? Boy, this is starting to look like a good dish, don't you think? Okay. Let's start right there. Chicken broth. Put it down just a little bit. Try and get it as good and soaked as I can. I think that's about right. Mix it up good. Kind of mix it up really good. Kind of spongy. little springy. Okay, it's ready to go in the oven for about 35 minutes. How fun is this? I think it's really fun. So let's plate one. Poppa Bear plate coming up. Okay, this is looking great. Okie dokie.